This was an overnight kayak camping trip on the Wisconsin River. 4 of us launched right near Castle Rock Dam with the intention of finding a camping site about halfway to where we plan to exit. Black line in this map is the drive where we left one truck. This way 3 guys could drive back at the end of the trip to get all of the trucks. Day 1, I pulled in a couple of decent sized smallmouth bass using a black whopper plopper fishing on top water. We had packed plenty of food to make dinner, but when we saw this big sign that said bar, we just had to stop. There also was a barbecue food truck out back that we ended up eating at. We noticed a good sandy island just on the other side of the river that was going to be a good place to set up the tents for the night.
I think we were just like gonna feed them in, but
Got the net right behind him.
you can just get that up in the ground. Definitely not a turtle. Yeah. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a eater.
It's a big one. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that thing.
Yep, that's a eater.
Got the fire going, made a little breakfast. We scavenged up a few long logs and just fed them right on in. Hit the water again. I caught a couple more smallmouth on the second day. The other guys didn't have much luck. Here we are, at the end of our second day. Boat launch is just off to the right. The guys go load up, drive back, and get all the trucks, leaving me here to get destroyed by the mosquitoes.